What is up, people? So today with me I have the BMW CEO2 comfort seat finally, because this is an optional accessory and I had opted for it during booking of the bike, and ideally I should have got it installed on the bike during delivery, but it was out of stock then, and it's been about 2 weeks now since I got my bike home, and I got a call from the showroom yesterday saying that they finally received the seat. And so here it is with me today. This seat looks pretty awesome, and the best part about this is that it's wider and thicker and has a much better cushioning, softer cushion than the original one, which is much needed on this bike, because the original seat is really hard, and just after 5 minutes on riding on it my butt starts to hurt a lot. So if you have this bike, I suggest that you do go in for this comfort seat, because it is a much needed accessory. So I'll be installing this seat myself, and let's do a quick review of the seat first. So as you can see, it has a two-tone, unlike the Highline seat which is three-tone, and also you can see this looks more premium because of the CE lettering on this part of the seat, which also looks pretty awesome. So the only thing I don't like about this seat is this black section, which has a very rough suede like material, which is gonna get dirty really fast. Considering my bike is out in an open parking, it gets pretty dusty, and I think this section is gonna get brown in just 2 days. So that's something I'm not happy about, and might have to change the fabric on this particular section in the future. So I'm pretty excited about changing the seat to this new one, because it's going to completely change the look of the bike and make it look more in character. So let's head out. So as you can see, this seat is attached to this fiber base, so I need to detach it from here with these Allen bolts and then change the seat. Alright, so I've taken out the original seat and placed it next to the new one, so let's take a look at them both side by side. But on the downside, the material of the original seat is much better and dust proof than this new black material over here. In fact, this has already started getting dirty just by me touching it. So the seat swap on the bike is complete, and if you ask me, I think it looks pretty phenomenal and I'm really happy with it. And now I'd like to know about you guys. Which seat do you prefer? Do you like the new one which matches with the side stickers, or do you like the old all black one which gives the bike kind of Batman-like vibes? Let me know down in the comments. So do hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more such content on my Beamers. So until next time, ciao.